September 2019 in Columbia, Missouri. 5 murders in just 10 days. Police, led by Chief Jeff Jones, formed a task force with the ATF to fight back.
We were getting lead after lead after lead, and we were solving gun crime after gun crime after gun crime.
But that stopped after Missouri passed a law called the Second Amendment Preservation Act.
We had to pull out. We had to stop working with the ATF to avoid litigation.
The legislation, which took effect in 2021, bars police from enforcing federal gun laws that aren't already on the books in Missouri and allows citizens to sue police departments if they do for $50,000 each time. It means that parts of the recent gun control legislation passed in Congress may not be enforceable in Missouri.
Do you think right now the federal government is jeopardizing Second Amendment rights here in the state of Missouri?
Yeah, absolutely. It's no longer hypothetical. It's no longer, well, we don't want to take your guns away. No, they're saying we want to take away AR-15s. They are wanting to take guns away.
State Rep Jared Taylor co-sponsored the bill. He says police can still work with federal partners to enforce state law.
We are holding our law enforcement accountable. They aren't federal resources. They're Missouri resources.
We spoke to the police chief in Columbia, and he says this makes his job harder to go after violent criminals with guns.
Yeah, I disagree. I don't think that this bill in any way stops him from doing his job.
But Chief Jones says the law is vague. And across the state, some agencies have put new limits on their use of federal resources, including machines like this that compare shell casings using a federal database.
These police officers come to work every day to keep people safe, but they're trying to interpret a broadly worded, in my opinion, poorly worded law that no one can agree what the boundaries are.
The Department of Justice is suing, accusing Missouri of trying to invalidate federal statutes. It's a battle over states' rights that could end up on the steps of the Supreme Court.
The Constitution clearly puts an avenue in place for the state to push back, which is exactly what we're doing.
On a stoop in St. Louis, where gunshots keep people up at night, a federal courtroom seems very far away.
Behind me, down the street, up the street, around the corner, it's always very close to my house.
And you hear it?
And I hear it, yes.
In the last 2 years, Tanya McCall has lost 3 family members to gun violence.
The state legislators is not paying attention to a neighborhood like mine because they're steady passing these dangerous policies and putting the laws in place.
Chief Jones is angry about the violence and the state law.
Do you think this law makes people less safe?
It does make people less safe. There's no doubt about it.
Stephanie joins me now. Is Missouri the only state with this kind of law on the books?
It is, unless in the last year or so, 3 states have passed similar legislation that carries civil penalties for public officials who violate them. Wyoming, Tennessee, and Arkansas. It's a battle over gun control for sure, but it is also a battle over states' rights.
All right, Stephanie Goss, thanks so much. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.